Today is the fifth day about decision making. So first day we were chatting about the importance of decision making, and last 3 days we were chatting about key points how to make great decisions, because there is some bad decisions, some good decisions, and of course you're able to make a great decision. So the first key point was that when you make a decision, you need to understand that every decision or choice impacts other people. Second point is that when you make a decision, your decision needs to be based on faith and not what you see now. And then the third point was that when you make a decision, you need to base that decision on the long term and then back that long term decision with the short term decisions. And today I want to share about extra few key points when we're looking at how to make a good or great decision. So when people are making decisions, a lot of times people make their decisions based on their abilities or capabilities right now. So for example, as easy that you want to become as public speaker. So as public speaker, of course, you need to have some kind of expertise. You want to be very good in communication. So a lot of times when people say, I would love to be a public speaker, but I don't have ability to speak in front of people. I don't have that courage to do that. But they base that decision on their current abilities. And that could be improved. So that means when looking in our future, we need to look in our potential. And our potential is based most time on our ability to be consistent. And of course that could be changed, but again, when we make a decision, we need to base our decision on our potential and not our current ability. Now, second part of that is that when we make a decision, we need to look into what we do have, not what we do not have. Because a lot of times when, for example, people want to start a business, they look what they do not have. For example, I do not have team, I don't have funding, I don't have a lot of things, but I don't have time. I'm busy. So there's a lot of excuses. But when we make a decision, we need to have what we do have. We have an amazing idea. We have execution skills. We have maybe support of our family. Maybe we have one team member already included in the team. So all the things that you already have. And when you make a decision to move forward, a lot of things will come to the place. So that means that when we make a decision, we need to look at it in our potential and what we do have. And when you look into those, it's much positive way of looking into that, and that means that you will make a much better decision for the future.